Hey guys, what's going on? This is a video for those of you that are interested in the dump truck, and those of you that are motorcycle enthusiasts, welcome. I'll show you the pretty much final product of what we got going on here. This is a 1995 International 4700 series with a DT466 engine in it. Runs like a top. What's up, Rosie? New oil, new air filter, whole bunch of new stuff if you guys were watching. Got that all set up. I just finished rust proofing today. Rust proofed the box. You guys were watching, you know that I replaced the box on this truck. The other box was completely rotted. Up here in Canada, our roads are infested with salt. Got all the lights working. Got the running lights going. Got those on sale. Those on sale. Those were existing. I made the brackets around them to protect them. There's my new connection for the box. It's a really nice box. Really happy with it. I got the mud flaps on. I had these. I bought those. They were $10 each. That's how I connected them. I would have preferred to put a strip all the way across, but it's kind of running out of time here. I got issues going on. Unfortunately, I don't have any tissues, so just got to move forward. I'll show you something really neat about these mud flaps here. You'll know sometimes they get caught on the tire. Well, this galvanized wire here is what people use when they post signs on your lawn. I just cut it to length, rolled it around and gave it a slight arch to hold the mud flap away from the tire. That's all it is. It's 24 inches wide. Mud flaps are all 24 inches wide as far as I'm concerned. Anyways, it worked out great for my truck. I got a nice junction box in there, so all the wires are tidy and clean. New reverse alarm, and when I needed a 2-wire or a 3-wire, I just used old extension cords that I have. For example, my running lights are a ground and a power, so you just need 2 wires. So worked out really good. I didn't have to go and spend and spend and spend. I just used what I had. I told you guys that's how I roll. I did buy this new metal here for the new mud flap location. You can see those are new. Really nice. And I was able to use the cross member to weld onto. Same thing with the rear. You can see where the original one was, but I was able to go to the back of it. So things just seem to work out. Just finished the rust proofing, like I said. That's what I end up. Obviously, I could have rounded those edges off, but so that's that. Yeah, man. Truck runs like a top. I haven't gotten the tar dialed in, but I don't have time for that. I put these 2x12s, put those on. It's a really nice truck, guys. I'm really happy with it. I'm really happy with it. But I'll tell you what, this world we're living in, it's changing. It's changing very, very rapidly. Rosie, come on, you coming inside? It's changing rapidly, guys, and not for the better. I'm not going to go into some sort of complain mode. I'm just stating that things are not what they used to be now. So, in the short of it, town says I got to get rid of that truck. Can't have it on my property whatsoever at all. And that's all I've been doing. I got that truck in the middle of winter. I got it in January. And they know, they see me working. I've been working on it on my driveway. I even posted a couple of videos, so you guys know what I've been doing. By myself, flipping that box around and doing all the necessary repairs in the dead of winter. But they don't care. Bylaw says you can't have the truck, so the truck's got to go. And I only have a couple of days left, so I don't know. But anyways, I got 3 packages in the mail. I have not opened them. This is the way they came. And I know, look at what they did to this one. That'll be the next video. We'll see. Hopefully I can wind down and get in a better mood. I am in a good mood, but when I open these boxes up, I mean, guys, I'm dying to see what's in there. I know what's in there, but, you know, I want to see them, right? And I still haven't put away the things from the last unboxing, as you can see. Because I told you the situation. So, any hoots, guys, listen, I hope you're doing good. I'm doing good. I'm a fighter. I'm not a quitter. I don't care. I don't run away from my problems. I confront them head on. Unfortunately, though, some people don't like that. They don't like that. Well, what can I tell you? I'm going to keep this video under 10 minutes. It was about the dump truck. I'm going to post it accordingly. Hope you guys watch it. If not, I'll catch you on the unboxing. See you guys later.